Hey everyone, we just made it to Quartzsite, Arizona. We're going to camp out here for a few days and check out the big RV show and see what there is to offer. So stick around. Hey everyone, so we woke up this morning to rain, and it's been raining most of the day. It's Wednesday now, and so we've just been hanging out. Got some work done, and Jill made breakfast, and then had some jalapeno poppers. Nice little dessert.
Yeah, this is the first time outside this morning. It's been raining all morning.
So, and it's actually just got gorgeous now. Picked up a flagpole yesterday in Quartzsite, so we're flying that now. We got the smiley face flag going.
Yay!
Because we're just happy to be out here.
Yeah, we're happy.
So,
Happy campers.
so just to check in for the day. We're gonna barbecue some steaks tonight and probably do nothing else.
Play cards.
Maybe play some cards. So,
It's
ciao.
all good.
Talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
Hey everyone. So now we're at Quartzsite in town for the big show. We're gonna go look at some gems, rocks, things that Jill likes, because we came by the other day and I was able to get me a flag for the motorhome. So today's Jill's day. So
Yes.
you excited?
I'm so excited.
Well, good. So we'll show you some of the sights. It's a total flea market here. So stay tuned.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's go get your rocks off. Well, Jill's got her first purchase. Somehow I think I'm going to be carrying rocks all day.
I have, but I'm looking for that one, like the one that Brad got Heidi. Remember?
I don't. But we'll keep looking until you find it.
Okay. See, my girls have these. Cool they are.
That's a real pretty rock.
Yes, it is.
Jill is in her element right now.
Hey, Britt, look. It's petrified wood.
Really hard. Wow, guess we better look inside there. I'm guessing it's just a big rock. Yep, a real big rock. We found a new tent with even more rocks.
Supporting our local neighborhoods, from helping local businesses to creating new homeowners. Horizon Community Bank is here to help. Hashtag Horizon has it.
I wonder if this is like the combo pack or starter kit. Then you don't have to keep shopping. You got them all in one. That would be a good idea. We made it back over to the big tent. So this is something we could use. That might fit in our backyard. But just to give you a little video or perspective of what the big tent show is like. Kind of like just a big, I don't know, home show, but for RVs. So this is the flag we got yesterday, or 2 days ago. The flagpole buddy. And just when I thought we were home free, heading back, Jill sees a rock place on the side of the road, and we need to stop. At least I won't have to haul these very far.
The UFO. That's cool.
So, hey guys,
Oh.
we're just taking a little drive today. Go check some things out. It's a little cooler, a little cloudy, but see if we can find some Jeep trails. Can do some other exploring. So, stick around.
Yeah, and we've seen a UFO.
Jill seen a UFO. We maybe will even post that picture. So, all right.
Pretty cool.
Okay, later.
Rick. Rick's first shoot with his new gun. Let's see if he hit the target. Huh?
Right in the center. I would have put it right in the forehead.
You would have got the burglar in our house?
Alright.
Are you doing it again?
Why not? We just gonna shoot once and go home?
Ow!
This is a fun road.
It's the funnest one we've been on for a while.
Yeah, it's just no good.
I think we're lost.
Yeah, we've been driving for, I don't know, 10 miles one direction, looking for the road, when we only went 2 miles off the road. So I don't know if the main highway just stopped, or did it U-turn or what? But this is yay. Good times.
That's all I got to say about that.
Yeah, and we really need to find a place to get a new beverage. It's almost happy hour.
I know it.
Oh,
Okay. Bye.
bye.
Hey guys. We are just leaving Quartzsite and we're headed over to Yuma. And we just got up and took off this morning. It's Saturday on the 23rd of January.
Had a great time at Quartzsite.
Yeah, we had a good time.
Spent almost a week there. We got there on Monday and even on Saturday. So, time to go hit an RV park for a couple of days and empty the tanks.
And clean up the place.
Take a nice long hot shower. That's about it. The Quartzsite was fun.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. Yesterday we went on a Jeep ride and went over to, what's a house?
House.
Yeah.
We took the back way. We took the whole way on the Jeep.
And it took forever.
You've probably seen some of that video of that. So, if we included it, we'll find out.
Yeah, so the weather's been a little bit rainy and a little bit cloudy. We had a few hot days, but other than that, we're excited to go to Yuma.
We went to check out the big show in Quartzsite. Check out the tent. They have the big RV show down here and rock and gem show. Did you bring your rocks in here that you got? Jill loves some rocks.
Got some rocks and crystals.
Prettiest rocks I've ever seen.
Yeah, they were.
We got the flagpole, and yeah, just kind of hung out, checked it all out. It was actually a busy work week, so I didn't get out and do a whole lot of stuff.
Yeah, we went to dinner last night, and it's a dinner place with you can wash your clothes while you're eating.
Yeah. Tiny room / laundromat.
Yeah,
So,
really weird.
kind of interesting. So, but yeah, if you're ever down in Quartzsite area, plenty of camping spots.
Oh,
we
tons.
camped on Plomosa Road, and even with how many people come in for this RV show, we still had plenty of room. You could have had your pick of spots. Maybe it's because the Canadians couldn't come down this year,
Yeah.
but I don't know. A lot of spots available.
Yeah, so we're headed on.
So, head down to Yuma, and we'll start the next video down there.
Yeah,
So,
thank you.
adios. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Stay tuned for all of our adventures.
Yeah, they're so fun.
Later.
Bye.